Hello, beautiful family. Thank you so much for your love, the support. Please subscribe to this channel, Progress the Analyst, if you haven't subscribed. Here, I will bring the world closer to your doorstep. Don't miss out. Subscribe and share. Thank you.
People are potty today because of what they heard, because of what you believe, because of what you think. You always think everything is negativity, negative. My brother, the earlier you stop this your rubbish thinking, it's better for you. Yeah, make her keep that one side, make her talk within and carry me come here. What is your reason for criticizing Simon Ekpa? What is your own reason? Why are you criticizing somebody that is fighting day and night? Forget everything about his life, forget about making money, becoming Obi Kubana, chief priest, the rest of them, Brigade, Dangote. He keep those things apart and choose to fight for you. Why are you criticizing him? No, just tell me, why are you criticizing Simon Ekpa? Some people, I don't know, ama omie na emu mana nke ikpeazụ a akwụnọ na afụ picture, na atu picture steady. I dey drop picture steady, but I know they post them here. I dey post them somewhere. Because that page, that's not general page. No be only me dey that page. That Lion Master BFF, no be only one person dey there. I fit post one post, another person fit post two, another person fit post three. That Lion Master page. You understand? No be only me. Many commanders dey there, Baron dey there, Gentle dey there. Many people dey inside that place. For you that is fighting, running haters, say, a man do this, a man do that. But now no fit provide evidence. Where is the evidence of what I do? I don't dey wait. Now like this I dey wait too. You know, see, I dey always bring awareness to you guys, but you guys know they like to dey pick my own. Now when they bring their own come, and I go pick them, come they insult me in box, come they talk, say why I dey do like this. Now where they tell you on my own, nobody want talk. Nobody want go find them, go ask them question. All of them, I know them. I know them real life, but I know them before. I don't know them far back time. Even some of them won't join the group self. But I meet them say, I'm going to fake carry you along because I don't know. I never see you. I don't know you. I don't go tell you say, may you just fly like that, enter my group. And I know people where I keep inside. Not be just fly people like that. Now that reason make you come out, go they criticize me. Now provide evidence of what they talk. You know fit. I scam up and down. Where is the evidence? I don't ask. It is almost going to a month now. No, where I asked about this evidence. Nothing yet come out. Nothing come out. When will our people learn? If you see somebody, I used to say this thing. If you see somebody, even if it is a crippled man, that post Biafra is real, my brother, just go and comment. If that post come across you, comment. Anything you know say you go comment for good side, comment am. That person go dey happy. And as he see that your comment, he go motivate them to post another one. From there, you go dey create awareness. As you know, if you walk, na crippled man, that impose na your own way to fight. Na your own way to support you, to show you say, in support with you, they do. But you know, if you fight, say, you be crippled. But I don't know why some of you like fighting those who are fighting for you. It's not a new thing. Even when our leader they around safe, even when our leader they free, they normal. Followers they talk. People still they criticize him, so not be new thing. No be new thing, eh? No be new thing. You know what thing I want you do now? One thing what I want you do. If you know say you be double face for this movement, come on your face. I know they talk 2 times. We don't need crowd. No be crowd we need. No be 1,000 people we need. No be 2,000 people. If you know say you no go fit follow one side, so you go dey jump to up and down. Come out your face for the freedom. Make people wey get mind carry one. Now so they dey silent sometimes. People go talk on they complain say why now talk this and that. Now I know they talk. Now make me know they talk because I don't know the one where I go talk. They go say I don't talk bad thing. But you they talk bad thing every day. Everything where they post. Even if you see say this one a koro na real, you go still come find talk say this one this gun na from Kafanchan. You dey see am say the design of the gun na your land where they design am. Say the style where they take keep the gun na to show you say see people wey get am. You go still dig ground say na from Kafanchan, I be na from Dubai where the gun from. Say you dey there with the fisa. Upon say na for Abakaliki where you dey cultivate Ngbuli Oda. that small heap where they could feel they put cassava. Now that thing you dey here they do. Everything where they do for this life, you must find a way. You get guana. Those cost higher. Is that your own work? No, is that your own work? Or is that what God created you for? Don't you have handwork? I mean, if you cannot support those that are fighting, get out. Now, sometimes I dey see people comment and they feel like make this thing be real, as in make it be seen a face to face talk be this. If I blow your eyes like this, maybe for rest one side. Simple instruction. Hey, Simon Ekpa is a good guy, he's doing a great job. Support him. Hey, he's a great man. Simple. He has cost even 1 MP. Only how cost you're not at the way in day. But you will dig ground, enter inside the ground, find a way to form your own. Find a way where you go put black spot for Simon Ekpa. Make people for criticizing, make people for say I'm a bad person. The area you stop this nonsense where you do, the better for you. Because I don't know where your brain come from. Simple instruction, something that cannot cost somebody life. You cannot even listen. Okay, today sit at home. They are talking sit. Come, I'm receiving call. Simba, they are not doing this. Many areas have been mentioned in the state. They are not doing sit at home. Okay, our men to down on now. Bam mad to. I call say na men to go. No, just tell me. If men mistakenly enter Bonny now, enter that international market when I carry they do buga, raise color, knock shot now. When I go start to complain. Now men they silent. They complain say I need action. If men take action, I go complain say men don't they kill their brother. Which one way we go do? May una no talk. No, just tell me which one way we go do. What thing we go do? Make una no talk. I be may we just fold our hand. They clap for Nigeria. No, na that one go they give una joy. Na that one go they give una motivation. Make una they go where una they go. They go. We dey on our back. Every day we go carry flag come out for road. This is not the time to carry flag. Na time to raise color. Na time to raise machine. Na time to raise. Nah, make I no talk. Make I no to talk. This November, if I have not blocked people, I know I've blocked more than 50 people in my account. In this page, I'm using to do this live video. So if you're no more seeing my post, you're no more seeing my video, know that I've blocked you. If somebody tell you like somebody was live, you say you didn't see. No, I've blocked you because your comment is useless. I don't need much followers. I don't need you. I don't get charter. If I need followers, I know what I use to build my followers. No be BFR matter I use to build my followers. Go through my page, you go confirm I'm saying no be BFR stuff I use to build my page. Now only live video they talk about BFR. Now only make you hear them from my mouth direct. No be to come they post. If you be my ghost, they post them. Hear that thing from my mouth straight. Make you confirm say they talk. I don't know what is up to some of you brain. Somebody will post color, clean color where you see say now stainless we just enter street new where they go use run bees, clean job. What you go come in, come talk. Now say this one you dey United States of America, Washington DC when Joe Biden bring this one from China. Say no be Biafra landing day. Or you wait to make a shock on us more. Are they come? No go anywhere. No, just share this video. Just stay here. Are they come? You go to I want to show you. This thing is made in Biafra land. Okay. Now me post that picture yesterday. Wait to make a show you now. If you never see I'm sharing for this video, just calm down. You see this gun now? Show you the see. Show you the see. You see this thing now. Do you believe that this gun, this particular gun where you see now, this small short gun where you see now, is made in your land? It's made in Biafra land. It's made in Anambra State. Okay, not before Dubai, not before China. Maybe something. When the guy we post the gun, tell me say see you they say they need backup. Now what the guy tell me? So they need something where they will use the door, making they clean, make the painter, making they clean for eyes, making they like foreign gun. See this gun now fit shut down helicopter where they for air, saying they go far distance, saying this gun distance far past AK-47. This gun where you see here now, the distance so in bullet they go far past AK-47, but for your land here they produce them. boil and go in bullet like this, as in, see clean work, none. But still yet, people they criticize. See now from Togo. None by when they are. Instead of you to appreciate your brother work, what your brother do with you, you go just find one thing where you go carry lap, when they talk, because you sabi talk. When they run mouth. Good morning. Because you sabi talk. My brother, make I tell you one thing. One thing where you know be say this land where we dey, the land they like Israel. You know say Israel small. Through real life, Israel no big. They no get big land like a landscape like many land like that. They no big. They small. Even among the whole world country, Israel should be one of the smallest country as based on population and based on environment. As in, I don't know how to put that, but God give them something will make them big. You know if you defeat them, but they no go find your trouble. If you find them good, they go give you trouble, and now them be the king of trouble. They go tell you say now we be the king of trouble. But if you deal with peace with them, they go deal with peace for you. You understand? Okay. Now come to the map of Nigeria. Look very well where they draw that map. Biafra, Oduduwa and Adewandingboa. You will see that Biafra has the smallest map cap. You understand? But we are the one that is holding Nigeria. That is why they don't want us. That is the reason why they don't want us to go. They know that we are the one holding them. We are the one that has the main thing that makes them become the giant of Africa. That is the reason why they don't want us to go. You go ask me why. I have fuel now where in day, crude oil where in day, coal where in day. All these mineral resources, where the mineral resources dey. Tell me where then they. Tell me where those things where I ask you dey. Tell me where those things were just asking now. If you tell me where then they, then you will understand the reason of what I'm saying. So no need. Yes. They will say I today talk, I today do this, I today brag. See this one, and I don't bring this one. Not before like okay, imagine say imagine say we are a nation, we are fully country now. You know say these people, because I don't know one person I be the many. We produce this particular gun now. They suppose carry them along, give them tools, give them machine where they need, maybe they do clean work. They produce this kind of thing. You see this one not rich. Even if you carry Odeshi, this one go blow you, throw you for bush. If this thing one hits you, you know say any bone where ain't touch it, that bone, even if you enter your body, that bone don't go. But because we know they free, we know free sponsor them. Coming to Nigeria no say they get enemy. They know free sponsor this kind of people. They believe in buying from China and America, coming down to the land. I say this one a clean work. Sponsor your people. Now this one now. This person will do this thing now, no they find work. This is the empowerment you are talking about. This person will do this thing now, no they find work. Others go they learn from your hand. China where they produce gun, they get double head. Not be human being as you be with them be. I be they give them authority to they produce gun. Not be country as you be with their own be. US, Italy, Israel, all these countries with Japan, all these countries where they produce gun and war material, they get double head. Their own people they're different. Not be the same brain where you get where they get. But because you are very stupid and senseless, you don't know what you have. That is the reason why you must support everything about Biafra. Let us go. Let us go and have our own country. You understand? Let us go and have our own country. Nobody to come, they talk up and down be the problem. Let us go and have our own country. You go explain. You go explain tire every day. You go explain. Make I bring another thing. Now, this talk about Biafra would have been a thing of the past. It would have entered into the thing. Assuming say we see the under the US. Our own is a goal. It's a goal. It is a assuming we see the under the US is a goal. So don't worry yourself. Just share this video, understand? People will get here, make their listing. Anything where anybody they do, as long as in they do say in they support Biafra, say in they fight for Biafra freedom. Even if the person they sing, or the person they open yash, or the person they run mad, or the person they climb tree, or the person they do conductor, they do plumbing, they do cement, anything with the person they do, they you saying they support Biafra. I beg, support that person. Give them that little support where you feel give them. No be by money. Now from statement from your hand where you feel right. Statement from your mouth where you feel talk. GCK. No get what the whole no nacho. It is a small word but not a big thing. Ahead, bro. Ahead, my sister. No retreat, no surrender. We move. All this statement. Now motivation you they give those where they fight. But you don't know the meaning of that thing. Or your own not to just jump inside. Bim, giddy bam. Hey, this gun now from Dubai. Simon Ekpa. That is your own. That is your own job. Simon Ekpa. Hey, Ekpa. Simon Ekpa. That criminal from Ebonyi State. What will that give you? Are they paying you? And I could go here. Are they paying you money? No, just answer me. Are they paying you money? And I could go. Are they paying you money? Just answer me. When you get answer for this question, you tell me make I come for the next live video. You want man. Use your head. Support anybody who knows saying they fight genuinely for the Biafra freedom. Even if the person they snap picture, support them. No when they talk bad against the person. They know they pay you. They suck your brain. Nah bro, use your head. Make your future for fine. Belestenovia. Those that sail on the rough sea are those that can be able to anchor the skeleton of. Make I not talk am. Before they go say I don't the cap. Make it remain there. My people may not take care. Just help me, you understand? Share this video. You know go take you anything. Just share the video to any group where you know understand. Just share the video, understand, You know go take you anything. Just share the video. I will come live in the evening time. That time I go figure time talk things and things where they worry some people. We make them they like say they silent now. Or they know they talk now. You get one or two where they cap on, you understand? If you want to listen to another latest video now, switch to that Lion Master. I go live there direct. Thanks. But share this video now where they watch.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.